Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your pension distribution options with MyGRA, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the MyGRA website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Register to create one. Once logged in, locate the pension section on the home page. Click on Update Distribution Options. You will see a list of your current distribution options. Review these options carefully. To make changes, select the option you wish to update. Follow the prompts to enter your new preferences. Consider factors such as your retirement goals and financial needs. Make sure to double-check all entries for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click on Submit. A confirmation screen will appear. Review the information once more before finalizing. If everything looks correct, click Confirm. You will receive a confirmation email once your updates are processed. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help section for assistance. You may also contact customer support if needed. Your pension distribution options will be updated per your new selections. Make sure to log in periodically to review your distributions. Staying informed will help you manage your retirement planning effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.